Should students coming from science stream take English honors? Of course you can. See, when you were in class 11, you might have chosen physics, chemistry, biology, computer science, thinking that you will excel in that. But somehow your experience in class 11 and 12 had not been as you expected. And you now like those subjects less than when you were in class 10. But that doesn't mean you should jump to English honors. Definitely not. And sometimes I also see students opting for psychology honors because they don't want to pursue regular science courses. That is also very, very wrong because psychology is a very specialized subject. You should be very careful, not because you're just given the chance to pursue it, you should do it. No. And colleges will offer psychology honors to any student, whether or not that person had psychology in class 11 or 12. But you will have to compete with those students who have already studied that in their 11 and 12. And I'm not saying that it is not going to be a good thing. You might really excel, but still it's a challenge. But when it comes to English honors, you are on equal footage here. You have studied English till your class 12, and if you are from an English medium school, then you have studied as your first language. If you are from ISC background, then wow, we have already studied so much of Shakespeare too. So if you really like studying literature, if you like reading storybooks, then I think you are a very, very fit candidate. You don't have to be from humanities background at all to choose and excel in a literature honors course. So do let me know if you are from science background and you have decided on English honors. And also let me know which college you're planning to get into. By the way, I too had physics, chemistry, and biology when I was in class 11 and 12. And I really, really don't regret my decision to choose English honors over an engineering college, in fact. It doesn't matter how the world looks at it. What matters is how you look at yourself and what you are passionate about. So good luck.